Saqhubeka nenqaku imibutho yezopolitiko eliqela idibene ngaphandle kwenkundla kaMantyi yaseRoodepoort ukuxhasa usapho lomntwana odlwenguliweyo kunye nokuchasa ibheyili ngakumtyholwa. Lamaqela amamelela isigwebo esiqatha ngezenzo zokuhlukumeza ngokwesondo kunye nokhuseleko oluqinileyo lwabantwana.
As community of Soweto, we must make sure that we put a stop in this thing. Enough is enough. Women must stand together and fight this pandemic. And we cannot fight together without the assistance of men out there. Because labantwana bazalwa yithi nabo baba babo. Men, siyacela bo baba, absent fathers, come and protect your kids. Absent fathers, we are calling up to you. Make sure that you protect our young girls. Make sure that abantwana bethu abahehwa izinto zomhlaba, because umncane umntwana a 12-year-old umbona kanjani ukuthi umlungele ukuthi umenze umfazi. We must put an end to this thing, because if we are not going to do this, we are going to be enemies of ourselves, because tomorrow so we court again, another TPV case. Next week there's another court case again, another TPV. We must put a stand and say no to TPV. We must protect our women, we must protect our children at all costs.
Action message siyathanda ukuthi umthetho lo ukuthi bahengwe abo baba mawubuye umthetho wokuhenga, because really since kwancanywa lo umthetho loyo i-crime yethu has gone up very high, and then nalo mthetho lo ukuthi si-change lapho kasemajele bathole i-privilege yokuthi badle babukele i-TV balale kamnandi. That is why i-crime yethu iba inkulu, because nasejele abafili any pain, kumnandi kubo. It's nothing that is actually changing for them. So umthetho we-action eseyizowenza ukuthi uqine nasemajele phakathi.
Sizosupporta ifamily, sizosupporta ne-survivor eyahlukunyezwa nguThempo. Victims ezizenzekelwa zezinto ku-communities kuhlala kubizwe amagama wazo. Singu-ANC makhe abizwe amagama wababantu ekufuneke bavele apha ezikantolo ukwenzela uba baziwe. Okwesibini, singu-ANC i-register ye-National Sexual Offenders funeka yenziwe public ukwenzela ubana sizowubazi bangobani aba bantu. But siyawuhlonipha umthetho, yiko lokho size ecourt ukwenzela uba sivumele uba umthetho uhambe indlela yawo. Kuthi ke ngoku xa sekwenzekile thina singumbutho we-African National Congress siqiniseke ukuthi abantu abenza ezi zinto abaphumi ejele, and futhi ngaphezu koko sibiza ukuthi we want harsher sentences so that abantu bangabuyeli kwi-community yethu.